In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find videos for dropshipping products. Alright, so here I am on AliExpress. So what you need to do is simply find a product that you want to get the videos from. I'm going to do it with this specific product. What you would like to do next is simply find the title and then simply copy that. You can also just copy the entire keyword phrase or title. Then once you've done that, what you can do is simply go to Google, paste it, then hit enter, and then you'll find the specific product. You want to click on the video section from Google itself, and you'll then find all of these video results. So what you can do is simply click on like all of them and find the good one. So let's see, if you simply scroll down, you'll find most of them. Alright, so in this case, I cannot find it right away, so I'm just gonna do the first part. Hopefully that makes a difference. I'm pretty sure it does. So you want to kind of play around to find the best results. If you then scroll down, you can see this one right there, for example. I'm pretty sure that this is it. If you then, yeah, you can see it's a video. Then if we play that, you just found this video, all right? So that's pretty cool. Now you can then click save video as, and you've got yourself the product video for this specific product, and you can do that with all of the products. Now sometimes it might not show up, so you can also check YouTube for that specific product. So you can paste it and then you'll find videos about the product. You want to make sure to not steal videos, want to make sure to use the right copyright laws, but then you're good to go. But yeah, that's what I do to find product videos. Alright, so I'm pretty sure that this will work with most products. It's probably not going to work with all of them, but with most of them it will work. So yeah, let me know if it works in the comment section down below, and then I'll see you in the next one.